My new camera is here na, honey. Hey Tube people, welcome back. Today I'm very excited because I received my new vlogging gear. Before I continue, please let me know what vlogging gears do you use, like the camera, the lenses, the microphones, because I'm so curious. And yeah, don't forget to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear from you all. My current gear is the SONY a6400, and I bought it last year because I read that it is really a good vlogging camera for starters. But then I realized after taking a lot of testing, the SONY a6100 lacks a microphone input, which become very challenging for me to make outdoor footages. And that's the reason why I got this. I want to step up my game, so I'm getting myself a 61. I want to step up my game, and that's the reason why I got the SONY a6400 and the lens, the E16-70mm. By the way, I also ordered a Rode microphone with a dead cat, but unluckily it hasn't arrived yet. As next, I'm going to make an unboxing and a comparison between the SONY a5100 and this new baby.
The box contained the usual items, including the warranty, the user guide in different languages. They also include the AC plug, UK standard, and of course the European Continental standard socket. We have the charging adapter, the neck strap from Sony, USB cable, the eyepiece for the camera, and the battery from Sony. And the main attraction is the SONY a6400 mirrorless camera. It is lightweight and compact, made by quality material. It has a flip screen, so you will see yourself when you do vlogging. It is a very pretty camera, a very good looking one. Let's move on to the lens. As usual, the box contains a warranty, the user guide in different languages, oh, we got here a nice little bag. The backpack has a cushion inside that protects the lens. We have also here the lens protector and the lens itself, the E16-70mm optical steady shot. Let's assemble my camera. Let's pop up first the eyepiece, then the battery, and now let's attach the lens. It's really easy to pop on. Beautiful camera, very compact and sleek. Let's try this baby. Sorry, battery is low. My dream camera must be lightweight, has flip screen, fast, stable, compact, and with a microphone input. And by the way, don't forget to check Jason Vong's channel. He inspired me to buy this camera, and I think I made a good choice. The next video, I'm gonna make a side-by-side comparison between the Sony 5100 and 6400. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Love lots. Goodbye.